Are you finding it difficult to add a thumbnail to your video? You just come up to YouTube dashboard and you upload your video, or your YouTube app, you just upload your video, and then without adding a thumbnail to it. What is thumbnail? Thumbnail is like the face of your video, the first thing that someone sees before watching your video. That's your thumbnail. And your thumbnail must be catchy in color, like very attractive, so that when someone sees your video on YouTube, they'll be like click that video, then they will want to watch that video, or they'll want to know what that video is all about. So make your thumbnails to be catchy, and then always add thumbnails to your video. Don't just come to YouTube and then you, or your YouTube channel, and then just upload your video just like that without adding a thumbnail to it. No, it will not make people to click your video or to watch your video. So on this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to add thumbnail. Mind you, I'm not teaching you how to create thumbnail. If you want me to teach you how to create your YouTube thumbnail for your videos, check some of my videos. I've uploaded it. Search for the video how to create a thumbnail. Watch it very well, and then you will learn how to create a thumbnail. But in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to add that thumbnail that you have created to your videos. Someone came to she requested that I should make a video of how to add a thumbnail to a video that you've uploaded. So if it's a video you would like to watch, please subscribe, like, share, and comment, and let me teach you how to add thumbnails to your videos. Without wasting much of our time, let's go right into the video. So this is your YouTube studio. Open up your YouTube studio and then click on content. It will bring you to all your content, and then what you need to do is to look for the video that you want to add the thumbnail to. Let's assume this is the video that we want to add our thumbnail to. So click on the video. So I'm already using a thumbnail for this video. This is the thumbnail I'm using for this video. So if you want to add the thumbnail to your video, you click on this icon that looks like a pencil. Click on it, and you already have your thumbnail that you want to add to your video. Make sure you have the thumbnail ready before opening your YouTube studio to add your thumbnail. So you click on this icon again that looks like a pencil. Click on it, and then you look for the thumbnail. So all these other thumbnails are thumbnails that YouTube suggested for you. So you click on, my own is showing change here, your own will show add thumbnail. All right, so you click on it and look for a thumbnail that you want to add. This is the thumbnail. This is my thumbnail. I'm going to click on it. So this is the thumbnail. Done. I'll click on done and saved. So after clicking on done, you click on save. Click on save, and then your thumbnail is saved already. So that is how to add a thumbnail to your videos using your phone. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.